stone, midnight across glass canyons. The city's just a whispered glass, like charts of forgotten scenes. Beacons in corner offices, pulsing their weary code. Our breath clouds into nebulas along the silent road, floating over zebra lines, ascending through the flow. Find me where the sky greets stone, midnight across glass canyons. The city's just a whisper, the heart's our only companion. Gliding through the daylight's noise, find me where the sky greets stone, where silence learns to speak.
Shadowed revolving doors, your laugh breaks through the electric gloom. Echoing on polished floors, we swap those ancient stories. Your gaze holds Arctic summer, a sun that never chooses to set. Trading to sand into a mama fears away. Trend car sparks like falling stars, racing down the icy wire. You sing a song your father knew, soft and warm as ember fire. Turn a question in my palm, like mist that wants to stay. Leaning with your shoulder, pressing all my fears away.
Midnight across glass canyons. The city's just a whisper, the heart's our only companion. Gliding through the daylight's noise, find me where the sky greets stone, where silence says to speak.